You lied to me. You promised you'd keep me safe. And then you make a deal with Azazel. Yeah, it saved Dad's life. But I'll tell you something else that happened. Because on November 2nd, 1983, all Yellow Eyes came waltzing in to save his room. Because of your deal.
Why is it my job to save these people?
You left us.
Why is it our job to save everyone?
Alone.
Like I had one job. That's one job. And I screwed it up. It's so damn hard to do this. When we do. All alone. Whatever this is, you can fight it. No. Brother, I'm not.
No, you're not.
I can't. Not forever.
How's your brother gonna feel when he knows you're going to hell?
You were gone. I was here.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm here.
Why do I have to be some kind of hero? What about us, huh?
Tried so hard to keep you safe. I know.
Every time!
Every time we get close, it always falls apart. Every freaking time.
And I needed to think that there was something else watching too. And then maybe I could be saved.
Stay with energy, all right? We'll stop the bleeding. We'll get to a doctor. We'll find a spell. You're gonna be okay. Just gonna play a little game. We're gonna count, okay? We're gonna count. I'm gonna take care of you. I'll take care of you. I got you. Just hold on, okay? All right, okay.
Let him die. Couldn't. He's my brother.
He's my brother. I can't. I'd rather die. Danger weakness.
I got you, little brother. You're gonna be just all right. Sammy.
What we've done, what we've lost. Right now, that is what I'm feeling. And sometimes it's like I can't even breathe.
It's over for me. It doesn't have to be for you. No, you can keep going.
Says I want to. No! Look at me. Look at me. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm proud of us. I'm gonna come back for you. Okay? You come back. I promise. I promise.
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 You know, we made a hell of a team back there. Yeah.
You were the one who was always there for me. The only one. I mean, you practically raised me.